single word for a group of words. One who believes in the existence of God. Theist. The yearly return of a date. Anniversary. An assembly of listeners. Audience. One who plays for pleasure. Amateur. The life history of a person written by himself. Autobiography. The science of plant life. Botany. The life history of a person written by another. Biography. A person who lives at the same time as another. Contemporary. Done without any preparation. Extempore. One who believes in fate. Fatalist.